Are you guys tired of boring paid AI tools too? Where everything is locked behind subscriptions. Video generation is paid. Image generation is paid. And even exporting in HD needs another payment. The AI tool I'm about to show you, because inside this one tool, you get Seedance 2, Google Veo 3, Kling AI, Grok, and many more powerful AI models completely free. The video you're watching on your screen right now was completely generated using this free AI tool. And here's the crazy part. We didn't just generate the video. We also used prompts to generate zoom effects, voiceover, sound effects, transitions, meme edits, cinematic camera movement, literally everything using AI. So, the AI didn't just make the video, it edited the entire video for us too. That's why today's video is going to be insane. So don't skip. This channel is called Roblox Noob. And if you look at the popular videos, 4.5 million views, 2 million views, millions and millions of views everywhere. And not just that, there are hundreds of viral videos on this channel. The concept is super simple, but the execution is so addictive that people can't stop watching. And today, we're going to recreate this exact style using AI. Now, talking about earnings. According to YT Large, this channel is making around $11,000 per month. This niche is absolutely blowing up right now. So now, let's move to the main part of the video. Guys, for you, I created a complete all-in-one master prompt. And trust me, this prompt took a lot of work. Inside it, you get main character consistency, global visual style, environment prompts, animation prompts. We are not like those people who say, join Telegram first, follow WhatsApp channel first, then we'll give the prompt. No, the link is directly in the description. You just copy it and use it. I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I paste the master prompt here and click generate. And instantly, the AI starts generating global character prompts, global visual styles, video prompts, image prompts, sound effects, and all 6 scenes automatically. And if you look at the top, it even gives editing instructions, like where to add zoom effects, where to use meme timing, where cinematic camera shake should happen, and how the final output should feel viral. So basically, the entire production pipeline is already done for you, including how to get free credits. Now simply go to Google and search for RW Studio, the first website that appears. Open it. The link is also in the description. As soon as you open the website, you'll get free credits instantly. I'll log in using my Google account, and boom, free credits unlocked immediately. Now, some people think the credits are low, but honestly, if you use them smartly, they're more than enough. Now I go to the image section. Here you can see multiple AI models, GPT Image, Nano Banana, Grok Image, and many others. But for better consistency, I'm using Nano Banana. Now set the quality to medium. Set the ratio to 9:16, because we're making YouTube shorts. And make sure the format is PNG, not JPG, otherwise generation can sometimes fail. Now upload your reference image here, the screenshot we saved earlier. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the global character prompt, global style prompt, and first image prompt. Then come back to the tool, paste everything, and click generate. And honestly, this tool is crazy fast. It only takes around 15 to 20 seconds. And boom! Your cinematic Roblox image is ready. And the best part? The character stays perfectly consistent. Same face, same colors, same style. Everything looks professional. Now we repeat the same process. Copy next image prompt, paste, generate, and scene by scene. Our entire story becomes ready. And honestly, the results look insane. Now comes the next step, video generation, guys. And don't skip this part, because now things are about to get really important. This is where we finally generate the videos. So, what do you need to do? Simple. Go to the top section, and here you'll find the Video tab. Open it, and now select Grok. As soon as you click on Grok, we're going to use image to video instead. For that, go to the model section again. Scroll down, and here you'll find Grok Image to Video. Simply select that option. And now, the real process starts. What you need to do is super simple. First, upload your image, the image we generated earlier. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the global video style prompt, and paste it here. Then again, go back, copy the scene video prompt, and also copy the sound effects section, and paste everything together. Now select the ratio to 9:16, and make sure the duration is set to 10 seconds. This part is very important, and look at this. It only costs 11 credits, just 11 credits for a full 10-second cinematic video. And right now, we still have plenty of credits left. So now our first video generation has started. It'll take a little time, and then we'll preview the results. So guys, the first video is ready. Oh my God, look at this. Our Roblox character has super weak legs, and as soon as he kicks the block, he falls backward instantly. And this is where the main story actually starts. Honestly, the AI generated this really well. Now, again, I upload the next image, select the same settings, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 video prompt and sound effects together. Paste everything here, and the process stays exactly the same. Don't change anything else. Just click Generate. And as soon as you click Generate, our second video starts rendering too. This one will also be ready in a few moments. So guys, the second video is ready now. And please, look at this preview carefully. I added editing effects inside the prompts, and look how amazing this looks. The trainer character is jumping dramatically. There are zoom effects, transitions, cinematic edits, and meme-style movement everywhere. It honestly looks very close to the original viral channels. So now I repeat the same process for the third video. Right now, we still have 13 credits left, enough for another generation. So I paste the prompts again, click Generate, and the third video also starts generating. And boom, this one is ready too. Look at this. Again, the AI added zoom in, zoom out, cinematic effects, text overlays, sound effects, and now the character is finally training. Honestly, this looks insane. But now, we run out of credits. So what do we do next? This is the important trick. Now, open another browser, but listen carefully. Don't log in immediately. First of all, if you are not seeing the exclusive welcome reward option with free 16 credits, then simply turn on your VPN. This part is important. Turn the VPN on, then sign out, and sign back in again using the same email account. And boom, the 16 free credits appear again. Just click Claim 16 credits, and you get free credits again instantly. That was the trick. And honestly, creating free Gmail accounts is super easy nowadays. So you can repeat this method again and again. Now I select the same model settings again. Same image to video settings. Upload the next image, paste the next prompt, and click Generate. And now our next cinematic video generation has started too. It'll be ready very soon. So guys, this one is ready now. And oh my God, our character has reached maximum power. The transformation looks absolutely insane. Download it immediately. Honestly, you don't even need CapCut anymore, because using prompts alone, we already handled the editing inside the AI generation itself. Just merge the clips together, create channels like this, and start uploading consistently. And trust me, your channel absolutely can get monetized. People always comment saying these channels don't get monetized. But remember, we always verify everything first before making videos about it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.